Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of us, like me, we are eagerly waiting to get this lockdown finished, right? And we get back to a normal life. Let's hope that few days which are remaining of this lockdown, we remain safe and we maintain the required precautions at our places. So, friends, I am here today to talk about different powers which are been given to us through this universe, and I'm talking about the power of writing goals. Do you feel this power of writing goals is really important, and does it mean anything? Well, I believe it that power of writing goals do exist, and it is really a power which you can use in your favor, right? So why I'm saying so, like what because it's all mind game. We all are working through our minds, so we just need to use this mind game in order to utilize, in order to get what we want in this life. So let's play this mind game. Let's understand that why do we need to and how it works, so and why we need to write our goals. So let's understand this according to my understanding, right? So why I'm saying so it's a mind game is because a few days back what happened that I love tulsi plant. So I have a lot of plants near my apartment, but then I feel craving for more plants, and I just enjoy while going into the greenery. So I like it. So I went to some relative, and there I saw that there were seeds of tulsi plant, and I bought those seeds from them, and I brought them and kept it in my almirah. Now a few days passed, and these seeds were just lying like that only. Every day I used to go for watering the plants which were there in my garden, and because of some reason or the other, I used to forget to put those seeds into the soil. So someday I went for watering the plants while I was over the call, or maybe someday I woke up late, so I forgot. Someday there were calls from my offices. Someday there were some different urgencies and priorities were there. So I was like kind of postponing to put these seeds in the soil. But what happened? One day I finally took that seeds and put them in the soil. I arranged them somehow, and I added water. Now, since I have sown the seeds in the soil, now my moral responsibility, my subconscious mind, my mind knows that this is really important. And now what I'll do, I will provide all the fertilizers. I'll mix all the fertilizers in the soil, whatever is required. I will like provide the environment. Maybe if it requires, I will protect that vase from excessive heat. I'll protect it from excessive water or maybe rain. I'll protect it from excessive shade also, because every plant has different requirements, so we need to look at it. So we need to provide the environment, and then I need to put daily water. I need to daily water the plant, those seeds, so that it can get a proper healthy environment. And after a few days I'll get the saplings, the plant, where I get to see the flowers, little flowers, and I can use the tulsi plant further in my tea as well, right? So that's how we do generally. uh, this is very similar to when we write a goal. So what happens is, why do we need to write the goals? So we have a very small size brain. Do we know what the size of brain is? So our brain size is just equal to this fist. So our brain is just this much. Now this brain gets confused whole day. You know why? Because we people are so creative. We think what we think. I wish I could have Bugatti with me. I wish, no, not Bugatti. Porsche would be fine. I believe Q5 would be better at this moment. I will manage with Q5, right? And or maybe as of now, these days, so I would be lucky if I can go to a restaurant or maybe a five-star hotel where I'll just get a fresh air. I'll just get out from the home. Or maybe some may want that. I wish I could. I'll be purchasing very soon. I'll be purchasing a 500 rupee sari, or maybe a crore rupees diamond jewelry, or maybe a microwave, or maybe a flat or a bungalow. So in one moment we will have such kind of thoughts, and then suddenly in seconds we will hop on to different kind, variety of thoughts, and see so creative we are. We'll think, I wish I could have the hand of my girlfriend in my hand and I could spend the whole lockdown period with her. Now there is no point of Bugatti, Q5. I don't need a damn thing. I just don't need any money, any jewelry. I just need the hand of my girlfriend in my hand, and I would love to watch movie and spend the whole lockdown period with her, or vice versa with the boys as well, right? So and then on the other side we will say, "Arey, leave everything. Just give me 1 crore rupees, and thus I will be fine for rest of my life. I will manage, I will arrange." And then in the other second we will hop on to another kind of thoughts where we'll just go crazy. Now let me tell you something. So we will think that I wish I will loot a bank and I'll take all the money and I will run away like Vijay Mallya. Or maybe I wish I could also have some auntie, maybe living in some California or maybe Australia, where she could say that, beta, I have 5 crores of rupees for you, and see, since I don't have anyone, so I'm giving this 5 crore rupees to you, and my bungalow is also there, so please come and take care of it, because I am at my almost age, so please come. Oh, life will be a blessing then. So we will go to any extreme. Can you believe it? We go to any extreme. And our subconscious mind, बेचारा छोटा सा दिमाग, that gets confused. इसको ये चाहिए, इसको गर्लफ्रेंड का हाथ हाथ में चाहिए, इसको आंटी से 5 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए, इसको क्या चाहिए? So it gets confused because in a day we get more than 60,000 thoughts. And this chotu, this subconscious mind gets confused at what is it exactly it is that she or he wants. I don't understand this man. And when we don't understand what is important for me, how will this chotu will understand? So we need to explain to this chotu that what is important for me, and without which I am unable to survive. It is a life and death question. I just need it. Come what may, I'll get mental peace only once I achieve these goals. So what happens is, when you write the goal on the paper that by the end of this year, by the end of 2021, I need this much of bank balance in my account, then your hand, you write it through your hand, so your muscle memory gives the message to your subconscious mind that okay, finally, this is something really, really important for this person. And writing the goal on the paper means you have sown the seed in the soil. Now once this seed is in the soil, what you will do? You will water the plant daily, you will provide all the environment, you will focus on providing the environment, adding the fertilizers, taking care of the plant, isn't it? You will be doing like that. Similarly, when you write the thought, then and paste it at all those places where you can see it repeatedly, then it actually focuses on to that thought which you have written. And since you know what you seek is seeking you, so when you have written something, your subconscious mind starts into a process and it starts manifesting all those people, circumstances and situations which can help you to achieve this goal. And then you can easily focus on what is it. Okay, fine, by 2021 I need to get this much of bank balance. That means by end of 2020 I need to get this much of bank balance, which means every month I will have to earn this much of bank balance, or maybe I have to save this much, and which means on a daily basis I have to earn this much, or maybe 300 rupees per day or something like that, or whatever you can calculate it your way. And then when we break those long-term goals into short-term, then quarterly goals, then monthly goals, and then daily goals, weekly goals and daily goals, you get to know that okay, this is my today's task. Now once you know that you have to water the plant daily, you will water the plant daily and you will be able to track your progress. And that's how your subconscious gets the message that you have to do this. Otherwise, you will get all the reasons why not to sow the seeds in the soil. You will get n number of emergencies, n number of priorities. All your office work will be in your list. All your personal works, home related household chores will be in your list. But whatever you want in your life will come and go. Even in case if you believe that my memory is sharp, no doubt about it, you have a sharp memory. But then it's a matter of making my subconscious mind feel important, that this is something which I really, really want. So write your goals on the paper, put a date on it, that by the end of what date you want it, why do you need it, your why should be very clear, and paste your goal on number of places where you can see repeatedly. And you will see that you will start manifesting all those ideas, your people, those supports you require, and maybe you will create a plan, you will create strategies in order to achieve that goal. And once you write that goal on the paper, it also helps you in creating the strategy, devising the action plan. It helps you in saving the time and energy, because until we know that what is important for me, we will keep just wasting time. We will just look for the green, all the signals getting green, and this will not happen. So we will have to start it anyway, and writing the goal on paper is the first step which will make a huge difference in your life. So it will also help you to self-motivated, and it will help you to remain self-motivated. How come it will help? Because when you have written those goals, your daily goals, that daily you have to put water into your this soil. So what you see that, okay, this is today's task and this I have done, okay, today is done. Tomorrow, okay, tomorrow, when tomorrow comes, you have done that also, okay, I am successful. So I am successful since last 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days. So now you have a feeling of small successes. Now it's been 21 days and I'm continuously putting in my effort since last 21 days, and I can easily track my progress, whether I am into right direction or not. Okay, since last 21 days I am earning 300 rupees per day. That means, okay, by the end of month I will be earning this much, which means, am I going in the right direction of earning what I have desired on a yearly basis or not? So I can understand if I am on a right track or not, and in case if I need any corrective action, I can do that also. But this, everything can only be done if I write my goals. So utilize this power of writing goals, because every big shot person we know today, every big shot person we respect today, be it Mahendra Singh Dhoni, be it Sachin Tendulkar, be it Muhammad Ali, they all believed in law of manifestation, law positive affirmations, and power of writing goals, right? See, all these powers work a lot, but before that, you need to tell your Chotu, your subconscious mind, that what is important to you. So really, if you want something in your life, show your subconscious mind that this is really important to you. Because when you show your commitment towards achieving something, I repeat, when you show some commitment, your commitment towards achieving something, what you want in your life, then the whole universe conspires to bring that to your life, because what you seek is seeking you. So with this hope that what I have said today will add value to your life, and hopefully you will start writing your goals. If you have not written it till date, just start writing it, be it smaller in size, be it bigger in size, but just write it with a date and apply the process, and then you will manifest your goals, definitely. And yes, don't forget to take action on a daily basis, because simply writing will not work. You will have to write it, and then accordingly you have to take action. But yes, once you show your committed action, then definitely universe will conspire to bring this into your energy. जब आप किसी चीज़ को शिद्दत से चाहते हो, तो सारी कायनात आपको उससे मिलाने की साजिश करती है. Bye bye.